Hello everyone. Uh, Let us consider this brain tasking question. This question requires critical thinking and smart reasoning. Now in this question, if we are not careful, we will run into trouble because I believe most of us do subtract when we are supposed to add, and some of us add when we are supposed to subtract. This question might appear confusing, but it is straightforward. It just requires your critical thinking. Now, the question goes, three friends checked into a hotel room that cost 300 naira. Each pays 100 naira, totaling 300 naira. Later, the manager realized the room cost only 250 naira and gave the bellboy 50 naira to return to them. The boy secretly kept 20 naira and gave 10 naira back to each friend. Now, each friend paid 90 naira, so total paid is 270 naira. The bellboy kept 20 naira. Where is the missing 10 naira? Now, let's look at this from this angle. This is what transpired. Let's look at what transpired. Let's look at what transpired. Now, what transpired is, now, three friends paid 300 naira, Abi, because each of them paid for the room. Let's see. Let's write it clearly, yeah? For the room, for the hotel room, they paid 300 naira. Now, they got 30 naira back. They got 30 naira back. Beautiful. We know that. The bellboy kept 20 naira. So the problem is now, and suddenly, let's use this. This is marker. And suddenly, 10 naira was missing. Okay? So, what happens to the 10 naira that was missing? Was 10 naira actually missing? And who was keeping the 10 naira? How did the 10 naira got missing? That's a question for you. So this time around, I'll pause the video for a while. I want you to look at it. Now, begin to solve this. Yeah, let's pause the video. Yeah, solve. Now, yeah, solve. If you're a good mathematician that can reason critically, yeah, I'm waiting. Let's wait. I'm waiting. Yeah, solve it. Solve it. Okay? Don't forget, the three boys or the three friends paid 300 naira for the hotel room. And they receive a change of 30 naira. Okay? And the bellboy kept 20 naira. Okay? So, now, what happens to the 10 naira that was missing? Yes, I'm giving you, at least in the next 3 minutes, you must have gotten the answer. Can you find the missing money? Can you find the missing 10 naira? That's the question. Can you find that? Okay? Can you find that? Can you find the missing 10 naira? This one is not writing again. Can you find the missing 10 naira? It's okay. You can manage this marker. Oh yeah. Have you found it now? Have you gotten it? Oh, let's look at it this way. Let's look at this. This is the challenge now. The challenge is we want to what? Find the missing, and you have been asked to find it yourself. So now this is a common wrong reasoning. Common wrong reasoning. People wrongly think that common wrong reasoning. You know what we said? 1, we are told that each page what? 270. Each page 90 naira. So which is totaling 270. Total amount paid. Paid is 270 now. Okay, good. Now the amount kept by the boy. The amount kept by the bellboy, by the bellboy, by the bell boy is 20 naira. Good. So we had, which implies, that implies 270 naira plus 20 naira is 290 naira. Abi? So what happens to the remaining 10 naira? If you calculate this way, you are wrong. Yes. You are very wrong. Yes. Where you're supposed to subtract, you have added. No. Now the truth is this. How do we go about it? Now, the correct reasoning. Let's look at the correct reasoning. The correct reasoning, the correct one, the critical reason. Okay? Correct reasoning. Reasoning correctly. Now remember, we are told that a change of 250 naira was returned. A change of 50 naira was returned. So the actual cost of the hotel, the actual cost of the hotel room was 250 naira. Abi, let's say equal to 250 naira. Cost of 250 naira. Beautiful. That's the actual cost of the hotel room. And you know that we are told the boy collected a change of 50 naira to give to the friends. Fine. And from that change, he kept 20 naira. And that means he kept 20 naira and returned 30 naira to them. Beautiful. That means the amount kept secretly by the boy, is equals to what? Is equals to 20 naira. Okay? Fine. So if you have this together, that gives us what? That gives us what? 270 naira. Beautiful. So that means that the 270 naira in question, where we say that each boy paid 90 naira, is already has already included or has already taken care of 20 naira that the boy kept secretly. Yes. Again, I repeat, the actual cost of the hotel room was 250 naira. The amount kept secretly by the boy is 20 naira. So that means the 270 naira in question, that the question says that each boy now paid 90 naira. So, and 90 times 3 is 270. So that means the 20 naira secretly kept by the boy is already in the 270. And don't forget that from the 50 naira that was returned to the bellboy to give to those boys, the 20 naira has been taken away from it. So the remaining 30 naira has also what? Be equally given to the boys. Yes, because we are told that 50 naira was returned, 20 naira was secretly kept by the boy. The remaining 30 naira was given to the boys. For each of them was given 30 naira. Definitely, that 30 naira has taken care of the balance. So now the 30 naira given makes the total to be what? If you add 30 naira of this, it makes what? 300 naira. So 300 naira was paid by the boys, or 300 naira, which was the initial cost of the hotel, has been what? Has been balanced. So, in other words, there's no what? There's no money lost. No money was missing. The 10 naira was not missing. So if you go through this procedure, if you reason this way, you will observe clearly that 10 naira was not missing. But if you use the previous reasoning, then you'll be baffling that 10 naira was actually no amount of money was lost. And so this is a concept of reasoning critically. You have to reason out. You have to what? Think outside the box. And that's what Dr. O.J. Teachers has as one of his mandates in his channel is ready to take you on board on how to reason critically. So don't forget to subscribe if you are joining this video for the first time. Hit the notification bell so that each time I upload new videos that can broaden your knowledge in mathematics, sharpen your knowledge in mathematics, develop your thinking faculty critically in order to acquire critical thinking or critical thinking skills, you will be duly notified. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.